There we are. Luxury this time. Got the seat because I've got kind permission off the landowner to come up here. So I've got the fire pit ready, some wood. Most importantly of all, we've got the ice box. That's full of food and beer. Champion. Got the tent over here. Just go through here, look. Away from the fire. There's the tent. There's the north ridge. I've had this tent a lot of years. Not a lot of space for two. It's a good job it's a lady I'm sharing it with. Oh, look at the view out here. Absolutely spectacular, lovely spot. Absolutely beautiful. Hopefully the clouds will disappear. We'll get some star trails. Catch you all later. It's a DD tarp 4 before that. Excellent little kitchen. And here we are. MRS Dragonlight stove. Cooking. It's not boiling the bag rice, it's microwave rice. And fish and sauce in there. Tartar sauce or mustard. No. Is it butter sauce? That's what it is. Fish in a butter sauce. The microwave rice just doesn't go in the water. So that's our lunch tonight. Dinner, rather, lunch. It's dinner tonight with a few beers. Beautiful stove. Well, I thought it is now. Not let me down once. Just new seals. Start the leak and the leak doesn't leak. Sensible new seals. Here we are, not long been up. Had the dogs down the track for a bit of a walk out. There's the tent, nice and warm last night. There's our log pile, didn't quite burn it all, but we had a bit of a go. We had a little campfire last night. And we come out in the kitchen. You see the fire still burning a little bit. We'll put that out before we go. Cover it up. Getting ready for breakfast. Making a brew. Yeah. Cracking little stove that. few partridges kicking about this morning, chattering on. Oh, see, it's a bit misty now. We'll be packed up, and I think we'll go and get some bilberries. Ooh, spin the lens up. Oh, hang on. There we go. Lovely cup of coffee. Ali's lovely cup of coffee. We'll ask her now. In a good mood, Ali? In a better mood than what you were?
No, I'm never in a bad mood.
Yeah, see, she was. Wait, take the stone away. There she is, though, still grunting. There we are. All you can see is a bit of flattened grass. Still got the tent to take down now. Alisons tidying that out at the moment. Absolutely smashing. Lovely night. The gamekeeper came. Will give us permission. Had a beer or two with us. A bit of a chat. He's brought us some burgers and sausages up. So we had them last night as well. That was pitch black. Didn't get any star trails, unfortunately, as you can see by the sky. It wasn't the best night for us. I think it wouldn't have been that good anyhow, as we did have a drink and a good laugh. So that's what it's all about. Okay, see you in a minute. I'll see you later. Bye for now. There we go. That's where the tent was. Everything nice and tidy, as it should be. Just have a little walk over here. There's a truck, look. Dead handy. Lovely. Didn't have to walk. Got the wife, you see. Her first time out wild camping. So I think she's enjoyed it, which is a bit of a shame. Because she'll be wanting to come again. There we go.